balloon decorator, you know properly-sized balloons is the difference between professional and amateur balloon decor. That's why automatic sizing equipment like Conwin's dual split second sizer is a must-have tool for getting the job done. Powered by helium or nitrogen from a cylinder or air from an air compressor, the dual split second sizer automatically inflates and sizes duplets, the building blocks, to balloon arches, columns, and swags. Make perfectly sized double bubbles, or inflate one balloon at a time for bouquets or string of pearl arches. Inflate specialty balloons like bubbles and orbs from the push valve. Automatically inflate modeling balloons and any size or shaped foil. In addition, there are a wide range of add-on accessories available, allowing you to easily stuff balloons, switch from helium to nitrogen at just the flip of a switch, save on helium costs, and much more. Without having to manually size balloons or use templates, you and your staff will be able to create arrangements faster and more efficiently. Automatic sizing ensures correct costing and customer satisfaction, and eliminates popped balloons and wasted helium, saving your business time and money. As the original automatic balloon sizer introduced to the industry over 20 years ago, Conwin has modified and upgraded the dual split second sizer to be what it is today, the leading inflator worldwide due to its versatility, speed, and efficiency.